Hey guys, so today I'm in Hartford on another three-family house working. This pipe here is backflowing because it's clogged somewhere. The water is coming up back, so we're gonna cut this out here, put an elbow so it can like a flow and run it on the side and connect it somewhere else. I'm here in the basement. We have all the fittings here, the PVC pipes and stuff. Alright, so there might be a break in the sewer line connection here in the ground. That's why it's backflowing to the first floor sink. So we wanted to run it from the main sewer. If we cut this, it might drop. Alright, so we cleaned some PVC pipes and elbows and glued it together. So we're gonna run it on the side. We have this cleaning trap here that we connected to the main sewer, and we're gonna leave this part here to clean and put a reducer, run the 2-inch pipe and connect it straight to the main sewer here. Alright, so we're just waiting for the connections where we glued to dry so we can fit it. We already dry fitted the pipes, the fittings, everything, and with the throw and the elbow and stuff, like the pitch where for the water, the sink water to flow, has to have like an angle. So on top here is the first floor kitchen sink where the wastewater gonna come from. We have an elbow here, like 45 degrees with a piece of PVC pipe, another elbow, and then we're gonna put a straight length straight to that sewer connection where we tapped into the cleaning, the clean out trap where you snake it from. On the bottom here, put a reducer. Yeah. Okay, so this is gonna be the new clean out port here, the trap where you can snake the main sewer when it's clogged up or backed up, backflow. We're gonna reduce it, like I said here, put a reducer. Alright, so we ran it already. This is the clean out porter to snake it. We just have to put a cap on top here. We didn't have any, we ran out, and seal it up. We can put a vent also there if they need a vent. There's a vent also here. And it's working, no leaks. As you can see, the flow comes here, has a drop here, elbow, then comes straight here, and then it goes with another flow, the elbow here straight down to the main sewer, and that's it. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.